If you want to sort your contacts by first name or last name on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Contacts app, then tap on it. Now from here you will find the option of Sort Order. Just tap on it. And over here you will find two options. The first option is to sort by first name, then last name, and after you select this option, you will sort the contacts using the first name. As you can see, the first name is written in a bold font, which means that your iPhone is sorting all your contacts using the first name. Now, if you select last name then first name, your iPhone will sort all your contacts by their last name, just like that. And this is how you can sort contacts by first name or last name on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.